How to restart phone without the power button. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, head over to your settings of a device. Once you're in here, scroll down and move into accessibility. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Inside the section of physical and motor, head over to touch. Tap on AssistiveTouch. You have to make sure that this option is enabled. Once you enable this option, this assistive touch will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it and then tap on Device. Now tap on More. The option of Restart will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. It says, "Are you sure you want to restart your iPhone?" You have to click on Restart. Once you click on it, your device will be restarted and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can restart your phone without the power button. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.